Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Project X, and you can also find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is called DaGuro.ph. You can follow us guys to be updated in our most recent content. So what I'm done here is an OMR. So what's an OMR? It's an optical mark recognition. So this is used by robots to recognize shapes and so on and so forth. So to make it short, this is a computer vision system that allows me to recognize marks on a paper. So basically I'm using Python and you have to install and import the packages. So to demonstrate this ability, I have two programs here or two scripts here. One is called the bubble generate.py. So what it does is it creates a simple bubble, an empty bubble, and a pre-filled bubble. To show you how it works, I'm going to trigger the script by pressing this, and you will see an output. This is the characteristics of our bubble. We can go to our documents and see where the bubbles are. So let me find the bubble. So this is the bubble empty, so just like that. So here, and this is the filled bubble. So if you are a teacher, you might be asking, can I use that to check the papers? Yes, of course, and that's my goal. So basically, I need a scanner, and I made this scanbubble.py to scan and differentiate between the filled and the empty shaded bubble. So I want to trigger this script by pressing this run, and we will see a GUI, a graphical user interface, that says select image and scan. So once I click this, so you will see that it generates or it loads all the PNG files in my folder. So if I scan this and then click open, it says here bubble is filled with 472 pixels. So it is able to get the information for the unfilled bubble. So let's try what looks like or what will be the information about the filled bubble. So I'm going to scan this, and you will see that the bubble is filled with 1253 pixels. So based from these differences, I can detect if the bubble is filled or not. So using this information, I can check the papers and create a paper checking tool using what I've learned. I will not go so much with the details on how I do the program, but let's open the output. So this is my Python script. I called it OMR scan.py, and I'm going to trigger it. I have also generated the materials needed for testing. So let's try the test sheet. So you'll see that it was able to correctly mark the paper or check the paper, and this is the result. So I also generate the one which is says to be a perfect score. So this is the sheet that loads that information, holds that information, and you will see that it perfectly score the test. So all that's left is to generate the PDF that is the answer sheet and the answer key, of course, and then use this to check. And I think that teachers will be happy checking their papers because they're not going to do it manually, they just have to scan. And for that, I conclude that this endeavor is 100% working and functional. Thank you, see you next time.